Hola clase, vamos a practicar ahora las invitaciones am, en un poco más de detalle. Recuerden ver el video o la canción de Señor Woolley después de esta actividad para escuchar la canción de las invitaciones. Am, Hay muchas maneras de invitar a otra persona a un lugar. So there's a lot of different ways to invite someone somewhere. Here in this column, we have the most common phrases to invite someone somewhere. Um, ¿Qué tal si vamos? But you'd have to finish the sentence. So how about if we go where? ¿Qué tal si vamos al parque? Or ¿quieres ir a, do you want to go to somewhere? Wherever you want to go. ¿Te gustaría what? ¿Te gustaría bailar conmigo? Every time you have gustar or any form of gustar, remember you're supposed to use the infinitive after it, which is why we have that plus infinitive thing. And then vamos a is just let's do something. Yes? No? I don't know. So you would probably usually follow that vamos a with an infinitive as well. Vamos a ver una película. Or vamos al parque. Or vamos al cine. Vamos where? Conmigo and contigo are words that we use in here, but they're not actually on your vocabulary list. So you should learn them because they're way important. They should be pretty easy to understand. They're their own words. They're special. But conmigo is with me. It's like a compound word, con and me. And then I don't know why they put go on the end, but they do, so don't forget it. And it's all one word, so it's conmigo. And then contigo is with you. So con mi is with me, contigo is with you. So, for example, ¿quieres ir al cine conmigo? Do you want to go to the movies with me? Or do you want to go to the park with me? Or should we go somewhere? You don't need it on any of them except for do you want to go with me somewhere? Because how about if we go? Obviously, you don't have to say with me. And then on this side here, we have the acceptances. De acuerdo, or well, obviously the first acceptance is sí. Sí is yes, so yeah. De acuerdo means okay, okay, whatever, that sounds alright. Me encantaría is actually pretty excited. I would love to. This ia ending, the ia right here, like you can tell that it was an infinitive verb and then you put ia on the end. Same thing with gustar and then you put ia on the end. You get would like. So, te gustaría is would you like, and me encantaría is I would love. I would love. Encantar is exactly the same as gustar, only it's I would love it instead of I would like it. So it's just more emphatic. Encantaría, and that ia on the end is the would. So I would love or I would like. So yeah. Paso por ti means I will come by for you. I'll pass by for you and to pick you up in my car or whatever. And then sí, claro, yes, of course. Claro means of course. It's just a phrase meaning, well, literally means clear. Clearly, maybe you think, yes, clearly, of course I would do that. Sí, claro, vamos. That is another expression for yes. Now, if you want to reject someone, lo siento is the best way. Lo siento, no, oh, I'm sorry, I can't. Or gracias, thank you, but I can't. Or I'm very busy. Estoy muy ocupada. Um, is I'm very busy. Uh, gracias, pero no puedo. And if you, that means but I can't. So you could explain why you can't, or um, whatever at the end of that. And then lo siento, tengo que is I have to. So for example, if I invite you to the park, ¿quieres ir al parque conmigo mañana a las 12 para almorzar? Lo siento, tengo que ir al dentista. I have to go to the dentist or whatever. Bien, I think that would be it. So yeah, just learn conmigo and contigo, and then do some practices with these. Try to invent an invitation to someone, and then see if they like, reject yourself or accept your own proposition. Maybe ask another question. Kind of practice a little bit with this. Um, say, what if I, be a little bit, play devil's advocate with yourself. So, for example, invite yourself to ¿Quieres ir al cine mañana? And then ask yourself, well, what time? Where? What cine? Um, what movie are they watching? Or what movie? What all this other stuff, and then make sure you can answer all of those questions and then decide whether you're going to accept or reject the invitation. And that's how is a really good way to practice and make sure that you really understand how all this works in conjunction with everything else that we've done up to this point. Muy bien y hasta pronto. Adiós.